Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this channel, we will discuss more on the frequently used terms used in the IT industry. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get all the video notifications. In this video, we will discuss about what is session-based authentication. Session-based authentication is something which we can discuss in step by step. The first step, user sends the login credentials to the server. What does the server do? Server verifies the credentials, and if it is valid, it creates a new session. After creating the session, server then stores the session data, typically in a database or in memory cache like Redis. So what is a session data here? Session data is actually it is a combination of a user ID or a session expiration time and other metadata. The third step, server sends back a response with a unique session ID, usually in the form of a cookie. On the fourth step, on subsequent request, the client automatically sends the session ID cookie with each request. Server then takes the session ID, looks up the corresponding session data in its session store and uses that data to authenticate and process the request. The important point to note here is, in a session-based authentication, server is responsible for creating and storing the session data. It then uses the session ID as a key to retrieve this data on future request. How is the session revocation happen in real time? So revoking a session is straightforward. Since the session data is stored on the server can simply delete or invalidate the session at any time. However, in a distributed system where your application runs on multiple servers, all those servers needs access to the same session data. This is typically achieved in a centralized session store. If you would like to discuss more on the session-based authentication on a distributed system, please let me know in the comment section. We will discuss in detail about the distributed, how the session-based authentication is handled in the distributed system, and how the JWT authentication is also handled in the distributed system. These topics are quite complex, which we cannot cover in a short video. That's all. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.